Hi everyone, in this quick MP4 Duplicator Software tutorial video I will show you how easy it is to duplicate any MP4 YouTube video file as many times as you like. Now, before I show you the process of duplicating MP4 video files, I wanted to explain a couple of things first regarding the size of the MP4 files you wish to duplicate. The longer in time of your MP4 video file you'd like to duplicate, the longer it will take to actually duplicate them videos for you. So a 10-second video file will duplicate quicker than a 60-second MP4 video file. Now, the file that you can see on screen at the moment is, I think it's a 10-second video file. It's only 14 meg. Let's see if we can get the length. The time. No, it's not showing the length of time in seconds. So let me pause the video and I'll try and show you the length of time this little video file is. Oh yeah, there we go. The length is 10 seconds. You can see it on screen there. So all we need to do is to have Mass Optimizer open. Click on the Duplicate MP4 Video Files tab, and then select the target MP4 YouTube video file you wish to duplicate. So it's just a simple point and click and then click open. You can see the location of the MP4 file that's going to be used to be duplicated. And then what we want to do is click on the destination folder. Now you can either select an existing folder or you can create a new folder. So let's click on the MP4 Duplicator, which is where the video file is located, and then click on Make New Folder. As you can see on the right, the folder's already been created. And then name it, you can name it Client 1, Client 2, Keyword 1, Keyword 2. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to name it Duplicated. As you can see, the folder has been created and renamed. So make sure you've got it highlighted, and then click OK. The destination path is then displayed, and then all you need to do is enter in the number of videos that you want to have duplicated. So we've defaulted it to 10, and then what I'm going to do is click on Generate. As you can see, we have a progress bar showing the progress. So a 10-second video is probably taken, let's wait until the one's duplicated. So maybe 15-20 seconds. It's 20 seconds per 10 seconds. So it takes 20 seconds to duplicate a 10-second video. Now I'll let the process complete. I'll pause the video whilst it's running through the process, and then I'll show you the output. Hi, I'm back again. So we are now just going to duplicate the 9th video. So we are now duplicating the 10th video. Now once the software has completed all duplications, we will have a notification displaying saying that the process has completed successfully. So the process has completed. All we need to do is click on the OK button, and this will open up the destination folder of the duplicated videos, and we should have 10, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is a quick tutorial on how you can duplicate MP4 video files and save them in a destination folder. Many thanks.